Welcome to today's session. In this video, we will discuss the MRI of the pelvis, including its indications, basic anatomy, common imaging sequences, and key findings. Pelvic MRI is an essential diagnostic tool for evaluating soft tissue structures with high contrast resolution. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how pelvic MRI is performed, what to look for in each sequence, and how to interpret common pathologies. Let's begin.
T2 Sagittal Planning. Plan the sagittal slices on the axial plane and align the positioning block parallel to the linea alba and median sacral crest. Verify the positioning block in the other two planes. In the coronal plane, ensure an appropriate angle that parallels the lumbosacral spine. Make sure that the slices cover the entire pelvis, ranging from the right acetabulum to the left acetabulum.
T2 TSE Coronal Planning. Plan the coronal slices on the sagittal plane and position the block vertically across the pelvis. Verify the positioning block in the other two planes. Provide an appropriate angle in the axial plane that is parallel to the right and left hip. Ensure that the slices adequately cover the entire pelvis, from the anterior abdominal wall to the sacrum. Adding saturation bands on top and in front of the coronal block will help reduce artifacts caused by arterial pulsation and breathing.
T2 Axial Planning. Plan the axial slices on the sagittal plane and position the block horizontally across the pelvis. Verify the positioning block in the other two planes. Determine an appropriate angle in the coronal plane that is parallel to the right and left hip. Ensure that the slices adequately cover the entire pelvis, from the pubic symphysis to the L5-S1 disc. To minimize artifacts caused by arterial pulsation and breathing, consider adding saturation bands on top and in front of the axial block.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. Every moment you spend with us is a source of inspiration. If this video helped you even a little, please give it a like and leave a comment. Your feedback is what keeps us moving forward. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and stay connected with us. We'll be back again with something new and exciting. Until then, take care, stay well, and keep yourself inspired. Warm regards.